Boy, you had me from the start.
What's up, my beautiful people? Welcome back to my channel. This is your girl Rain, and tonight I am going to be organizing my refrigerator. I'm gonna let you guys see what it looks like before I start my organization.
James David, Jack Pearson, just Jack.
So this is how crazy it's looking, y'all.
Jack Pearson returns to the house.
So this is before. And I'm gonna give you guys an after video. I'm gonna let you guys see how I do what I do. So stay tuned if you want to see me turn this into an organized, clutter-free refrigerator.
I can't wait till you come over. I'm not sober, so you know how it's about to go. 'Cause I like to fuck when I'm drunk. I like to suck when I'm drunk. Come on, my baby, what's up? I need you to hurry up. I can't wait, I can't wait. Pussy fairies on the way. Ooh, fucking me. I can tell by the way you in love with me. You can't get enough of me, yeah. Well, I guess it's looking like you stuck with me, 'cause I got you sprung off in the springtime. Fuck all your free time. You don't need no me time. That's you and me time. We be getting so loud. That dick make my soul smile. That dick made me so damn proud. Now lay your head down on the pillow. Turn the lights down real low. I want you to say my name. Close your eyes and let your feels go. Now you're getting real close. Baby, I am on the way. Now that I've got you right here, I won't lay you down. Don't be surprised, baby, it's just me. Don't be surprised, boy, when I bust it wide. I hypnotize you with this pussy. Now you feel like you can fly. I got you sprung off in the springtime. Fuck all your free time. You don't need no me time. That's you and me time. We be getting so loud. That dick make my soul smile. That dick make me so proud. Ooh, lay your head down on a pillow. I'ma fuck you real slow. Need to hear you say my name. Close your eyes and let your feels go. Now you're getting real close. Baby, I am on the way. Now that I've got you right here, I won't lay you down. Don't be surprised, baby, it's just me. Don't be surprised, boy, when I bust it wide. I hypnotize you with this pussy. Now now you feel like you can fly. I got you sprung off in the springtime. Fuck all your free time. You don't need no me time. That's you and me time. We be getting so loud. That dick make my soul smile. That dick make me so proud. Ooh, can't tell the truth. How to love, he ain't got a clue. Playing games like you'll never lose. You try to talk to him, can't get through. Every day he's a different dude. These are the signs of a grown-ass boy. Better run for the hills, I'm just trying to keep it real. Cause you can't raise a man. He's already grown, what you gon' do? You wonder why he acts like a boy. It's cause he wasn't raised right before you. Girl, you ain't never gon' change nobody. If he don't wanna, you can't make nobody. Cause you can't raise a man. No, no. Coming home any time of night, expecting you to let it ride. How many tears are you gonna cry? Playing games like you'll never lose. You know that the love has changed. How many times he called you out your name? These are the signs of a grown-ass boy. Better run for the hills, I'm just keeping it real. Cause you can't raise a man. He's already grown, what you gon' do? You wonder why he acts like a boy. It's cause he wasn't raised right before you. Girl, you ain't never gon' change nobody. If he don't wanna, you can't make nobody. You can't raise a man. No, no. Gonna take more than a miracle to change him. Just let him go. Just let him go. Tell me, when will you decide to do better with your life? If his mama couldn't do it, what makes you think you can train that boy to be a man? It's too late. Better off letting him go. No matter how hard you try, you get right. He's already grown, what you gon' do? Yeah. You wonder why he acts like a boy. Cause he wasn't raised right before you. Girl, you ain't never gon' change nobody. If he don't wanna, you can't make nobody. Can't raise a man. Can't raise a man. I can't wait till you come over. I'm not sober, so you know how it's about to go. Cause I like to fuck when I'm drunk. I like to suck when I'm drunk. Come on, my baby, what's up? I need you to hurry up. I can't wait, I can't wait. Pussy fairy's on the way. Ooh, oh, yeah. in love with me. You can't get enough of me, yeah. Well, I guess it's looking like you stuck with me, 'cause I got you sprung off in the springtime. Fuck all your free time, you don't need no me time. That's you and me time. We be getting so loud, that dick make my soul smile. That dick made me so damn proud. Now lay your head down on a pillow, turn the lights down real low. I want you to say my name. Close your eyes and let your feels go. Now you're getting real close, baby, I am on the way. Now that I've got you right here, I won't lay you down. Don't be surprised, baby, it's just me. Don't be surprised, boy, when I bust it wide. I hypnotize you with this pussy. Now you feel like you can fly. I got you sprung off in the springtime. Fuck all your free time, you don't need no me time. That's you and me time. We be getting so loud, that dick make my soul smile. That dick make me so proud. Ooh, oh. Lay your head down on a pillow, I'ma fuck you real slow. Need to hear you say my name. Close your eyes and let your feels go. Now you're getting real close, baby, I am on the way. Now that I've got you right here, I won't lay you down. Don't be surprised, baby, it's just me. Don't be surprised, boy, when I bust it wide. I hypnotize you with this pussy. Now you feel like you can fly. I got you sprung off in the springtime. Fuck all your free time, you don't need no me time. That's you and me time. We be getting so loud, that dick make my soul smile. That dick make me so proud. Ooh,
I can't wait till you come over. I'm not sober, so you know how like this pussy. Now you feel like you can fly. I got you sprung off in the springtime. Fuck all your free time, you don't need no me time. That's you and me time. We be getting so loud. That dick make me so smart. That dick make me so proud. Ooh, lay your head on a pillow. I'ma fuck you real slow. Need to hear you say my name. Close your eyes and let your cells go. Now you're getting real close, baby. I am on the way.
Okay, guys, so this is the finished look. I know I got a lot of alcoholic beverages in here. I had a party and we had a lot of alcohol left over, so I just put them in some of them in the fridge. I still got some in the pantry. But this is what it's looking like. We just moved in, so we really ain't got too much of nothing. I gotta get some eggs. This is my egg case. I don't have any eggs yet. And also need to get some more organizing trays for the fridge. I'm gonna get an organizing cheese thing so I can put my cheese slices in it so it's not just sitting in there like that. But I'm definitely going to get some more organizing trays for the refrigerator. And then I got some glass containers that I'm going to put some fruit and veggies in and put those in there so it can be organized as well. But this is the finished project. For now, I'm also going to, instead of storing my pots in the fridge also, the storage containers I bought, I will store my leftover food in there so I don't have whole pots in my fridge, because I hate having whole pots in my fridge. So once those storage containers come, I will do another organization video. I thought I broke something. I will be doing another updated organization video on my fridge. Until next time, stay beautiful. Thanks for watching. And if you haven't done so already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Comment down below. Let me know what you think about the organization on my fridge, and let me know what you think I should put in here. And my fridge is kind of small on the inside, but this was the only fridge that I could find that I kind of sort of like.
Mommy.
So until next time, stay beautiful.
Mama.
Boy, you had me from the start.